What's up guys, EPICJONTUAZON here. We're going to be doing a little nor'easter install while it's snowing outside. I hope you guys are doing safe. If you're on the East Coast, you know what's going on out there. Stay safe and I hope you guys will make it out okay. But we got some new products from WOXMA. They were kind enough to send out high beam bulbs and reverse light bulbs, so we're going to check those out today. Okay, but first we're going to do our unboxing as always. So let's start off with these. These are the reverse bulbs. Nice LED pattern. It looks like it's going to be four-sided and then 5 LEDs at the top. So this is going to be nice to install. These are different than your normal reverse bulbs. I believe the reverse bulbs are usually like a 2-prong, but these for the wagon are different. It's which I never knew until I started messing around with these bulbs. It's a different type of bulb than your side marker, your turn signal, your brake lights. So keep that in mind. If you have a wagon, I'm not sure if this applies to the 05, 06 model, but definitely with the 02 models and the Outbacks, these are your type of reverse light bulbs. And this is part number 1156, so they're 1156 bulbs. So if you need these, I'll put them in the description so you guys can check those out. So these are the reverse bulbs. Let's go ahead and unbox the high beam. Looks like it comes with some instructions. Here are your mini ballasts. Comes in aircraft grade aluminum gunmetal color. This is your 9005 connector. This is going to attach to your OEM harness. And this is going to attach directly to the light bulb, which is right here, the LED. And upon first inspection, wow, these are super light. It's got your fan to dissipate all the heat, and it looks like it's a 2-diode LED bulb. They're rated at 7600 lumens, the color is 6500K, and the lifespan is 50,000 hours. So let's go ahead and install these and check out what they can do. So just to show you the difference, this is the halogen and this is the LED. Alright, so now we're back here in the taillight, and it's actually the turn signal bulb that we're going to be replacing. So again, these bulbs are for the wagon only. I've had an 06 before and it was never this 1156 bulb. But we're going to go and turn this on so you guys can see what it looks like before and then swap it to the LED. So there you have it, the WOXMA LED lights are installed. Unfortunately, the 1156 bulbs didn't work out for the rear. I'll post a little clip here showing me trying to install them, but unfortunately those bulbs still elude me. I have no idea what kind of bulbs they are. I thought these are the 1156. They might be the 1157s. So I'm going to go ahead and contact them, see if they can exchange them, and hopefully we'll have another video coming back at you. But those are the WOXMA LEDs. These are 9005. They do make them in a bunch of different other attachments, so your car may not take 9005. They'll take different kinds of bulbs, and they should have them. I'll leave all the part numbers to these bulbs in the description below so you guys can check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll catch you on the next video. See ya!
We'll be right back.